Good afternoon and welcome to today's Trade of the Day. My name is Paul Scott. This is Platinum Trading Systems and we're on the 19th of August 2015. Got a few trades that I want to talk about today. One of them being our longer term trade. We mentioned that in our video yesterday. The level that we were looking for with the pullback was 156.40. This trade has been entered into with a 35 pip stop loss and we're going for just shy of 200 pips there on that trade. Going to speak about that one again very momentarily. Looking at our important zone trades today, we've had two that triggered. One here on the pound, 156.34. Another one on the Kiwi dollar at 65.50. So let's take a look at those. Here's the Kiwi dollar trade. Price came down to 65.48 and a bit. We got in at 65.50. Price rose pretty quickly back up there to the 65.70 level. That's giving us our 20 pips. A beautiful entry there. Now let's look at these pound trades. So we called this one to the T, one at 56.34 being the low of the day so far on the cable. Told our clients to get in there, 20 pip stop loss, 20 pip gain. Price rose up to here, 156.56. Sorry, 156.56, giving us our 20 pips there on the pound. This is the longer term trade that's been entered into, 156.40. That one's running very, very nicely. Canadian dollar today. And this is one of the major things that we talk about here at Platinum, is knowing when to trade and when not to trade. Every single Wednesday we have the oil inventory report that comes out. Obviously going to affect the price of Brent crude. This is what we look for. Don't trade it until after 6:30. This is the reason, inventory reports. Now this has come in quite significantly worse than was expected. Changing the number of barrels of crude oil held in inventory by commercial firms has actually gone up by 3.2 million barrels. So obviously that's going to have a detrimental effect upon the price of oil as more of it's being stockpiled. So if we look at the Canadian dollar chart today, we can quite clearly see that after this release has been reported, the price of the CAD has just weakened and weakened and weakened, and we can see the correlation with this in the price of oil. Price of oil came tumbling down after this report was released. So this is one of those things. If you want to trade in the style of the banks, if you want to know what the banks are going to be doing, if you want to have the conviction when you trade, you've got to trade in the Platinum way. So what else do we want to be speaking about today? Well, like I said, we had some releases out of the States today. CPI. Month-on-month figure came out slightly worse than expected. Core CPI came out slightly worse than expected, giving the markets a little bit of a jolt round about 130. What else do we have tonight? Well, we have the FOMC meeting minutes. Now, this one is going to be perhaps sort of giving us a little bit more of a clue. Will the US be raising interest rates in September? Economists seem to think that they will be. However, the markets think a little bit more differently than that. They can see it sort of coming either later in the year or the beginning of next. So we'll see who wins that battle there. But again, it's going to have probably quite a big effect upon the price of currencies. Hopefully, what we're looking for with our pound trade there is to that trade to sort of come to fruition within the next couple of days. So again, this has been Platinum Trading Systems. I hope you enjoyed listening to the video. Again, we'll be bringing you top-notch market analysis on a daily basis. If you want to get hold of that, if you want to get hold of this trading system, that's absolutely fantastic. Do please come across to www.platinumtradingsystems.com. We are currently offering a free complimentary trading workshop for people that want to sort of get involved with trading. Please leave your details with us. We will have one of our representatives get in contact with you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom of this video here. Go and share it. Sharing is caring, as we say. So thank you very much for listening, and we shall see you tomorrow.